I'm Paris. Welcome to Kokolo English class. Today, you'll learn how to leave a voice message in English. This is a very useful skill for phone calls at work, school, and daily life. In this class, you'll learn English step by step. This is real-life English you can start using today.
Hi, I'm Mark. Welcome back for another lesson. Our goal is to help you speak English clearly and naturally. Each Kokolo English lesson is short, so it's easy for you to watch and practice often. Sometimes we call someone and they don't answer the phone. We hear a recording that says, "Please leave a message after the beep." Many English learners feel nervous at this moment, but don't worry. Today you'll learn a simple way to leave a voice message. By the end of this lesson, you'll know the basic structure of a voice message. You'll also learn simple phrases that native speakers use. How to sound clear and polite. These phrases are easy and very useful.
Lesson goals. In today's lesson, you'll practice 3 important skills. First, how to introduce yourself on the phone. Second, how to explain why you are calling. Third, how to politely ask the person to call you back. The class is designed for you to listen to examples and then practice speaking. After we speak, a practice box signals it's time for you to practice speaking. Remember, it's okay if you make a mistake while practicing. Mistakes are an important part of learning. Just keep on trying.
Voice message structure. A good voice message usually follows these simple steps. Step 1. Say a greeting. Step 2. Say your name. Step 3. Explain why you are calling. Step 4. Ask the person to call you back. Step 5. A polite goodbye.
Greeting steps 1 and 2. Start your message with a greeting. You can say hello, hi, or good morning. Then, say your name. These are examples. Hello, this is Paris. Hi, it's Paris calling. Good morning, this is Paris. Hi there, it's Paris calling. Now it's time for you to practice speaking. Hello, this is Paris. Hi, it's Paris calling. Good morning, this is Paris. Hi there, it's Paris calling. Sorry I missed you, it's Paris calling.
Why you're calling. Step 3. Next, explain why you're calling. Here are some useful phrases. I'm calling about the movie tonight. I'm calling to let you know about a meeting. I've a question about today's homework. Just checking if you have any plans this weekend. Now it's time for you to practice speaking. I'm calling about the movie tonight. I'm calling to let you know about a meeting. I've a question about today's homework. Just checking if you have any plans this weekend. Did you attend today's English class?
Ask for a callback steps 4 and 5. Finally, ask the person to call you back and include a polite goodbye. Here are some useful, clear, and polite phrases. Please call me back. Bye. Please call me when you hear this message. Thanks, bye. Please call me when you are free. Thank you. Could you please call me when you have a moment? Bye for now. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day. Now it's time for you to practice speaking. Please call me back. Bye. Please call me when you hear this message. Thanks, bye. Please call me when you are free. Thank you. Could you please call me when you have a moment? Bye for now. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day.
Voice message examples. Paris calls someone, but they don't answer. She then leaves a clear and polite voice message.
Hello, Mark. This is Paris. I'm calling about the English class tomorrow. Please call me back. Thank you. Goodbye.
This is another common example. Mark leaves a message for Paris. Later, Paris calls him back. Hello, this is Mark. I'm calling about the project meeting. Please call me back. Thank you.
Hi, Mark. This is Paris. Thanks for your message. I'll call you later today.
Common mistakes. These are 3 common message mistakes. First, some people forget to say their name. Example: Hello, sorry I missed you. Call me later. It's better to say, Hello, this is Mark. Sorry I missed you. Please call me later. Second, many beginner learners get nervous on the phone and speak too fast. Third, some messages don't explain the reason for the call. Example: Hello, this is Mark. Please call me back. Thanks. It's better to say, Hello, this is Mark. Just calling to ask about today's meeting. Please call me back. Thanks. Remember to always say your name, speak clearly, and explain your reason for calling. Lesson summary. In today's lesson you learn how to leave a phone voice message. Voice message structure. Useful phone phrases. How to ask for a call back. Remember the 5 message steps. A greeting. Saying your name. Giving a reason for calling. Requesting a call back. A polite goodbye. With a little practice, this skill will become easy and natural.
Well, that's all for this class. Practice the leave a voice message lesson often. Please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss our next class. Please share these lessons with family and friends. Until our next class together, bye for now.